Good morning all of you. I hope all of you are fit and fine. In this video we will continue our chapter web application of class 10. So in this video we will cover a new topic, that is instant messaging. Let's begin with the introduction of instant messaging. Instant messaging is a form of communication that involves transfer of text based messages from sender to receiver. Let's see some feature of instant messaging. With the help of instant messaging, text messages can be sent to one or more person. Audio calling and conferencing can be done. Video calling and conferencing can be done. File can also be transferred with the help of instant messaging. Messages can be saved for future reference. Let's see the types of instant messaging. So there are basically two types of instant messaging software. Number one, application based instant messaging, and number two, web based instant messaging. Let's understand all these types one by one. Number one, application based instant messaging. Application based instant messaging software is downloaded and installed on user's computer. Let's see some example of application based instant messaging. Google Hangouts, Facebook Messenger, Skype, and Yahoo Messengers. These all are the application based instant messaging software. Let's understand web based instant messaging software. Web based instant messaging software is accessed using web browsers such as Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, etc. Let's see some example of web-based instant messaging software. WhatsApp, eBuddy, Snapchat, and IMO Messenger. These all are the web-based instant messaging software. Let's see the requirement for using the instant messaging software. We must have an internet connection. We must have a valid instant messaging account. Sender and receiver both need to be signed into the same instant messaging softwares. And if we want to using audio and video chat or conferencing using instant messaging, then we need some more requirement like microphones, headsets and speakers and web cameras. So these all are the basic requirements for using an instant messaging software. Let's understand how can we create an instant messaging account using Google Hangouts. So for creating an instant messaging account, we will use the following steps. First, create a Gmail account or Google account. Then sign in to your Gmail account. After that, click on the Google Apps option present on the top right corner. After that, click on the Hangout options. After completing all these steps, you will be able for using the Google Hangout services like Google Talk, Google Plus Messenger and Google Chat. I hope it's clear to all of you. So let's understand how can you chat with a contact using Google Hangouts. So for this we will use the following steps. First, open the browsing window and type hangouts.google.com. After that, sign in with your Gmail account. After, a Google Hangouts window will be opened with the left pane displaying the contact list and right pane asking you to get started. Then click on the new conversation and type the name of the friend from which you would like to talk. You can also talk to the people who are active or online, which is represented by a green dot on the status icon of the person. So for using all these steps, you can chat with a contact. Let's see some rules and etiquettes while chatting to a person using instant messaging software. So begin messages with a greeting and end them with your name. Keep your messages short. Respect others' privacy. Use appropriate language and avoid abusive language. Never use capital letters as it is considered as shouting. Always give people time to respond and wait for a response after asking a question. Observe and use appropriate emoticons or stickers. I hope it's clear to all of you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.